A major function of the capacitor has the capacity to store electrical energy when it is connected to its charging circuit. Additionally, when it is taken out of its charging circuit, it will release the stored energy, making it possible to utilize it as a temporary battery. But what is the effect of it on full-wave bridge? Let's see. Circuit components. First, we will use transformer to reduce the voltage, and we will use for diodes and connect them as you see. We make our bridge like this to help us using oscilloscope to measure the input and output of rectifier. The last component is capacitor. Connections. We will use transformer to reduce the voltage from 220 volt AC to 12 volt AC. Now we will connect the 4 diodes in the same directions in video. After that we will connect the capacitor as you see in video. Now our circuit is ready. Let's see the output on oscilloscope. As you see this, the input is sinusoidal wave. And here is the output without capacitor. As you see, here is the output, and we will add capacitor now to see the effect of it. As you see, the effect of capacitor is to make the output is line or DC voltage. You can see the videos about diode and full wave rectifier to make your DC power supply. Now we will reduce the scale and try again to add the capacitor to see the effect of it again. Thank you for your watching.